Hey guys, here's another video of showing tips and tricks of passing the real estate licensing exam for Washington State. So one of the strategies I've learned already so far, if one of the multiple choice answers is all the above and you're absolutely positive that the first two are correct, there's a good chance that they're all correct. Another strategy I've learned is that answers with often or never can just be eliminated, but always be careful. Another thing I've learned is that your mind tends to understand the correct answer if you've studied and prepared yourself well enough. So don't second guess yourself, just take it and move on. Okay, this is a quick video just for tips and tricks. Next time I'm gonna do more longer and just go over practice exam question and answers. So if you guys have any questions and answers you want me to add to this, leave a comment on this video and I will get back to you. Have a great day.